Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Cheesecake Factory pumpkin cheesecake right in your own kitchen. So make sure you are subscribed and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make the crust. 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/3 cup sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. The first thing you'll want to do is crush the graham crackers into fine crumbs. I like to do this with a food processor. Keep the crumbs in the food processor, then add the cinnamon, sugar, and melted butter. Mix them together in the food processor. Press the graham cracker mixture onto the bottom and partway up the sides of a 10-inch springform pan. Bake the crust at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool to room temperature while you prepare the cheesecake. Prepare the springform pan for the water bath by laying 3 rectangles of foil on the countertop. Place the pan on top of the foil layers and fold the first piece around the pan. Repeat with the other pieces of foil to ensure that the bottom and sides of the pan are completely covered. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the pumpkin cheesecake. 32 ounces of cream cheese, 1 1/3 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 large eggs, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice, 2/3 cup sour cream, and 2/3 cup of heavy cream. Place the softened cream cheese into the bowl of a stand mixer and beat for about 4 minutes until it is smooth and creamy. Add the sugar to the cream cheese and beat for another 3 minutes. Next, add the vanilla and eggs one at a time, beating for 1 minute in between each addition. Mix in the pumpkin puree and the pumpkin spice just until combined. Gently add the sour cream, followed by the heavy cream. Pour the cheesecake batter into the springform pan and then place the pan into the roasting pan filled with enough hot water to go halfway up the side. Bake the cheesecake in the water-filled roasting pan at 325 degrees for 90 minutes. When the cheesecake is finished baking, prop open the oven door and allow the cheesecake to cool in the oven for 1 hour. This will help prevent the cheesecake from cracking. Remove the cheesecake from the oven and from the roasting pan, then cover it loosely with foil. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the white chocolate whipped cream. 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of white chocolate instant pudding, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Pour the heavy cream, sugar, and white chocolate pudding mix into the bowl of a stand mixer with a whisk attachment. Beat the mixture on high until the cream begins to thicken. Add the whipped cream to a piping bag with a large star tip and pipe swirls of whipped cream onto the pumpkin cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for the Cheesecake Factory's pumpkin cheesecake. The full recipe will be down in the description, as well as a link to the printable version on mommymouseclubhouse.com. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more recipes. See you next time!